Hello friends, welcome back to our Tsinfo YouTube. In this video, we are going to discuss create PowerApps app from SharePoint list. First of all, open your PowerApps with your respective Microsoft credential. Microsoft provides a different data source connectors to build apps in PowerApps. Suppose I have created a PowerApps Canvas app from a SharePoint Online list, and inside this by default we will get three different screens. See, this is my SharePoint Online list as employee registration, which we have to connect to the PowerApps. Now I will show you exactly how to create a Canvas app from a SharePoint Online list. For that, click on the create button. Here select the SharePoint option. Then select the SharePoint connection. And here you can select your site. Then choose a list like employee registration. Then click on the connect button. Once connected to the SharePoint list, it will take a few minutes. Now your app is open with three different screens like browse screen, detail screen and edit screen. When you open the browse screen in the Canvas app, it will show all items you created in your SharePoint Online list, and also we will get different controls like reload icon. By using this reload icon, we can refresh a SharePoint Online list from a PowerApps. And this is sort icon. You can sort the order of the SharePoint list by using this icon. And this is the add icon to add a new record from PowerApps to SharePoint Online list. Now I will show you how to create a new record from PowerApps to SharePoint Online list. For that, click on the preview button. Here select the new icon and provide the new employee registration details like. Then click on the submit button. See, our new record added in PowerApps as well as in SharePoint also. This is how to add a new record from PowerApps to SharePoint Online list. And you can see here search box to allow us to filter a SharePoint Online list items. And you can use this next arrow to navigate the detail screen. From detail screen we will get all the information about the specific SharePoint list items, and you can also get the controls like trash icon. If you want to delete this specific item, just click on this trash icon. And you can also, if you want to edit this item, just click on the edit icon. And this is the back arrow to go to the employee browse screen. And similarly in the edit screen, we can edit the respective SharePoint Online list item. Also we will get the controls like submit icon and cancel icon. Now I will show you how to save and run the app from PowerApps. Once your app is ready, just click on the save button. Here provide the name. Then click on the save button. And if you want to publish this app, just click on the publish icon. Here select the publish this version. Whenever you have to publish an app, it will appear under the app section on the PowerApps page. Now go to the PowerApps page. Here click on the app section. See, your app is available under the app section. Now if you want to run this app, just click on the ellipse icon and click on the play button. Once play or run an app, it will display the browse screen to get all list items from a SharePoint list. Then click on the next arrow to display the employee registration details in detail screen. If you want to edit the specific record, just click on the edit icon. It will redirect to the edit screen. Here you can edit the details. Then click on the submit button. Yes, this is all about how to create a PowerApps app from a SharePoint Online list. I hope guys you like this video. To give a like and do subscribe our YouTube channel for more free videos on SharePoint Online, PowerApps, Power Automate and Power BI. Thank you.